Winter road salt can cause serious damage to your car's undercarriage, leading to rust and corrosion over time. Protecting the undercarriage is essential to maintain your vehicle's strength, safety, and longevity. Washing your car frequently during winter is one of the best ways to protect it from salt damage. Salt from the roads can stick to the undercarriage, causing rust and corrosion over time. Using a pressure washer to clean the undercarriage thoroughly helps remove salt and dirt from hard-to-reach areas. Aim to wash your car at least once a week, paying special attention to areas where salt tends to accumulate. In addition to regular washes, perform a deep cleaning regularly to remove stubborn salt deposits. Use a car-safe soap to scrub every nook and cranny of the undercarriage, including suspension parts, frame rails, and wheel wells. This ensures that all hidden areas are free of salt and grime. Deep cleaning, combined with regular washing, keeps your car in excellent condition. Applying fluid film helps protect your car's undercarriage from rust and corrosion caused by road salt. This keeps the metal strong and extends the life of your vehicle. To use fluid film, start by applying the product into all the holes, seams, and cavities of the undercarriage. Insert the nozzle into each opening, spray a measured amount inside. Then slowly pull the nozzle out, allowing the fluid to reach even the hard-to-access areas. Once the holes and cavities are treated, fill a spray gun with fluid film corrosion inhibitor and lubricant. Adjust the tip to create a fine, even mist. Then, evenly spray the entire undercarriage, including frame rails, suspension parts, wheel wells, and the inside of holes and crevices. This process covers both the visible parts and the hidden areas of the undercarriage. It gives long-lasting protection against salt, moisture, and rust, keeping your car safe during winter. Before winter, apply a wax or sealant to your car's paint and undercarriage. This creates a protective barrier that helps prevent damage from road salt. The coating keeps salt from clinging to metal surfaces, reducing the risk of rust and corrosion. Whenever possible, drive on clear roads that have less salt. Try to avoid deep puddles or snowy areas that may have absorbed a lot of salt. Snowy or icy roads usually have a lot of salt, which can stick to your car and cause rust. Even small changes in your route can help protect your car and make it last longer during winter. By taking these steps, you can effectively shield your car from salt damage. Proper care during winter will keep your vehicle in good condition and extend its lifespan.